Welcome to Quasi-Recurrent Neural Networks, or QRNNs, an efficient and modern alternative to traditional RNNs for NLP tasks. In this presentation, we'll explore what makes QRNNs unique and how they combine the best of both recurrent and convolutional architectures. QRNNs bring together the strengths of recurrent neural networks, which are great for capturing sequence dependencies, and convolutional neural networks, which offer speed and parallelism. In the next few slides, we'll explore the architecture, how they work, their benefits, and where they are used, with visuals to help make it easy to follow. Traditional RNNs process input one step at a time, which limits speed. QRNNs improve on this by applying 1D convolutions to the sequence in parallel, followed by a recurrent pooling step to capture temporal relationships. This makes QRNNs especially useful for processing long sequences quickly, while still retaining memory of past inputs. Now let's dive into the QRNN architecture. The model uses a convolutional layer to extract features from input and generates three key outputs: Z, F, and O, representing the candidate update, the forget gate, and the output gate, respectively. The Z output is the candidate hidden state, or the proposed update to memory. It's computed as Z is equal to Tanga, W underscore Z asterisk kiss smiley. While the forget gate decides what to keep, Z suggests what new information to add. The final memory update combines both. C underscore T is equal to F underscore T times C plus 1 F underscore T times Z underscore T. So, Z is shaped by the input and passed through a nonlinearity to represent possible updates. Next is F, the forget gate. It decides how much of the previous memory to retain. F is computed using F is equal to sigmoid W underscore F asterisk kiss smiley. If F is close to 1, most of the old memory is kept. If F is close to 0, it allows more new information to overwrite it. Together, Z and F allow the model to balance past memory and new context. The third output is O, the output gate. It controls how much of the current cell state is revealed to the next layer or time step. O is equal to sigmoid W underscore O asterisk kiss smiley. The final hidden state is H underscore T is equal to O times C underscore T. This gate acts as a filter, deciding how much of the internal state to expose. Now let's see how these elements work together in the forepooling mechanism. The hidden state is updated as H underscore T is equal to F underscore T times H plus 1 F underscore T times Z underscore T. This allows the network to reuse past information or inject new content. Then, the output is computed as Y underscore T is equal to O underscore T times H underscore T. This elegant structure combines recurrence and parallelism efficiently. Think of this like a funnel. The convolutional layer first slides across the input sequence, extracting local patterns. Then the forepooling layer combines these features, letting information flow across time, capturing contextual relationships without full sequential bottlenecks. QRNNs offer several key advantages. Parallel computation speeds up training and inference by processing inputs in parallel. Long-range dependencies captures sequence memory with minimal recurrence. Memory efficiency requires less memory than standard RNNs. Strong performance achieves state-of-the-art results in many NLP tasks. Of course, QRNNs aren't perfect. Complex architecture, more complicated than standard RNNs. Hyperparameter tuning, filter sizes and layer counts need careful adjustment. Limited context. The convolutional layer only sees a fixed window at each step, which may limit performance on tasks needing broad context. QRNNs are used across many domains. Language modeling, predicting next words. Machine translation, translating across languages. Sentiment analysis, detecting tone in text. Text classification, sorting content by category. Speech recognition, converting voice to text. Time series analysis, forecasting future values. Image captioning, generating text for pictures. Video analysis, understanding sequence and frames. To wrap up, QRNNs bring together the speed of CNNs and the memory of RNNs. They support parallel processing while retaining temporal memory. Useful across many fields, from NLP to speech and time series. But they do require tuning and careful design. With ongoing research, QRNNs are expected to power even more efficient and intelligent sequence models in the future. Thank you for joining this deep dive into quasi-recurrent neural networks. We've seen how QRNNs combine the efficiency of convolutional networks with the sequence modeling power of recurrence, creating a powerful tool for modern AI tasks. While QRNNs come with some challenges, their speed, scalability, and versatility make them a compelling choice for many real-world applications. Stay curious, keep exploring, and don't forget, the future of deep learning isn't just faster, it's smarter. Subscribe to the Concept Bytes for more insights into the algorithms shaping tomorrow.